Hello, welcome guy. Today I will show you about how to make the cool intro in Capcut. So, let's following the step by step and watch this video until at the end. First, open the Capcut app and click the new project. Select and add your video intro here. When add your video to Capcut already, click the text here. And you can write the text intro for your channel or your video. And you can customize the fonts, effect, or animation that look cool and you like it. That have a lot of the animations and styles for you choose it. And have a lot of font style and colors. So, let's see the result that I make it together. At the end, you can export this video to your device right now. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next video.